Good morning, everybody. My name is Winterrey. I'm kidding. It's actually Winterrey. You didn't know this because I'm just that awesome. And I'm stuck on the floor. Oh, never mind. I'm up. I'm up, everybody. Hi. Why was I like? Had my legs. I couldn't use my legs. Yeah. So, welcome to Rain World. I have not really gotten this far, as I've said. At least as this character, especially. I got far enough, not really far enough on the white slug. I kind of ran around. Mind if I grab that really quick? No, no, no. I need this. I forgot how to grab. Grab. What's the grab button? Grab? That's the jump button. That's the buy button. Please? That's the drop button. Ah! Hey, Jeremy. Goink. I goinked him! I goinked him! Brr. Okay, this time, I'm not playing around, okay? Does it look like this face, this adorable little face, is playing around? It isn't. Okay. This time, it's going to be hunky-dory. The axolotl Lilarian is not going to be just at the entrance waiting for me. Hey, buddy. You, Yeah, perk the butt up. Okay. Oh, yes. Suck it. Yes, this is the thing. This is the thing I saw. So you can jump across it. Oh, this is big money. I don't have enough food. Be right back. Okay. Okay. Ooh, you thought me a fool? I think you a fool. I got the mods. I got the power. I got everything. Oh, and we're taking a little nappy nap. What's our dream gonna be today? Oh my god, he's so cute. God damn. I'm adorable. And now we're in the trimector level. Trimector day. Thursday. Yep. Thursday. Ooh, I got one. He's mine now. I'm gonna name him Frederick. Frederick Von... Stop. Stop. Stop! This isn't what you want, Frederick. Yeah, this is what we want, Frederick. Now this is what we want. I'm noticing I jumped and you leapt to the right. My finger wasn't even touching the right button. Ow. That would have hurt. That would have slapped. All right, Frederick. Didn't do that. Didn't do that. I didn't do that. Frederick, no. Get in the hole. Hey, why are there leeches? Why are there leeches right there? Guys, I don't know what to do about these leeches. I'm not very good with leeches. I should have taken Frederick. Go. Why? Breathe. Oh. My god. I got the bigger one. I got the bigger one. Uh-oh. No. I got the bigger one. Frederick! Help me! Pop! 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 I'm gonna... Why is this flower just following me around? Is it giving me pity? It probably is. I'm going nuts, guys, with how these swimming controls are. Okay, and what's with the multiple leeches? I can't fight the leeches. Unless I brought Gary with me, I guess. What am I gonna do? No, Gary? Gary? What is that? Hello. A spear? Hostile? Friend? Foe? What is it? What is it? Okay, he's not attacking me. He just scared the bejeebus out of me. Oh, he's hostile to the bugs. He threw it at the bug, right? Hey, friend. I need to go past you really quick. Do you mind if I just grab one of... No. Oh my god, I have to get the big one. The big one sucks. The big one screws me over, I think, constantly at a fundamental level. What is that red thing? Oh my god, you scared me. I was looking at the red guy. What is the red guy? Why is he so mysterious? And why do I want to seduce him? Shush, Bard Winter. Quell your lust. There are leeches to fight. You are right. I hate leeches. Come out of the water. Oh my god, bruh. Why did I just sink that far? No, don't grab the bubbles. Grab these. Scrum diddly umptious. Please explode, Jerry. Yes, explode, Jerry. Stun them. Or stun me, I guess. I hate you. I hate you, Gary. Guys, I'm going insane. I'm gonna... Okay, I got here. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, leeches, please. I need a breather. I need a breather from that one, guys. If this is also a dead end, I am going feral. I did it. I did it. Guys, I did it. If you want to know how long it took. Easy, only like 10 minutes, actually. It was probably easiest game of my life. And more water. That's neat. Garbage wastes. Hello? Gross. Please tell me that's not hostile. Please tell me the leech worm isn't... Hey, buddy! What are you doing here? The music changing? Well, the music's changing. I feel like I should have gone underwater, but there's leeches underwater, so... never mind. I hate leeches. And I hate my life. Which one of you is hostile? You. Huh? What is that? Ew! Oh. Ah! Oh, hi. Are you friendly? Hey, buddy. Ah! I didn't do it. I didn't do it. It actually wasn't me. Okay. So it's fine. Oh, but then how am I supposed to get up there? Oh! Hi? Why did it feed me? What? Hello? How am I? And I'm lost. Did I even need the poppy guy? I didn't need the poppy guy. But you know what? It never hurts to be safe. Is this food? Nope. No, it isn't. Ow. Oh, buh. I can't tell if you're friendly or not. I mean, I know if I spear you in the face, you won't be friendly, but... Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Nope. How do I get this, though? How do we get astral knowledge? That's... Yeah. Okay. You know when I'm pressing the jump button and you're not? Okay, well, that's not how you do it. Ah, maybe that is. Oh, I'm a genius. Why didn't you give it to me? Oh my god. Oh my god. Does it disappear when he pops? Bro. Oh, so much for being smart in this game. Hi, orange guy. How you doing? Huh? Oh, did he die to leeches? Oh, your buddy died. Oh, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me, actually. It wasn't. It literally wasn't even me, dude. The leeches are eating him right now. Save your lover. I'm over here. Hey, no, no. I'm not like that. I don't swing that way towards whatever you are. I'm a monk. Stop following me. Stranger danger. Hello, buddy. How you doing? Oh, I scared him. I startled. Hello? Okay, I figured it out, guys. What you're supposed to do is... yeah. But I'm noticing a small issue. And that would be the rain. But it's okay, because rain doesn't actually exist. The rain can't hurt you. What is that? What was that? I don't know what that was. But I'm getting out of here. No. No, there's gonna be a thing to sleep in. Like, probably over in the next room, right? Because I didn't just spend all this time looking for a place to go for rain to kill me, right? No, I didn't. No, I did not. Oh, can't go down there. That's okay. We didn't need to, because there's gonna be a sleep. There's gonna be a sleep thing. There's gonna be a, what is? There's gonna be a, no. There's gonna be a. It's probably down here somewhere, right? Yeah, I think it's in this ball. Oh no. I think they're meanies. I think they're meanies. I think they're angry at me. It wasn't me. It literally wasn't even me, dudes. It wasn't. No! Why was it messing with the hole? Why was it messing with the hole? Please tell me that doesn't mean it can come out. That wasn't in the resume. Hey, hey. How am I supposed to progress? Oh. Oh my. What's happening here? This is quite illustrious. Oh dear. Oh dreadful. I have to wait here. I literally just... I'm not liking the sewer at all. Actually. If I could progress even a little bit, I would count that as a victory royale. Come on. I didn't ask for that. I would like to know what to do in this situation. Like, the music slaps. But, if it grabs me, the thing that covers the whole screen, if it grabs me, I die. But, like, I'm stealthing, but there's sorry, two things that cover the screen. And if they head this way, I die. Why? Guys, I'm not sure what to do in this situation. Maybe I can hide. Nope. Hiding ain't an option. A spear just in the nick of time would be. I don't know what to do. I'm literally lost. He's not leaving. He's, in fact, chasing me. The spear is what saved me. And now he's heading the wrong way. Guys, I think I figured it out. I think I figured it out. You gotta use the spears. And you gotta throw them into the... Okay, that spear was an accidental throw. That's kind of how I started to figure it out. Okay, this is gonna be a little trickier than I thought. Okay, okay. Okay. Can I? No, 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 no. I'm friendly, dude. I'd love. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. The controls I can. I did it. I am God, and I don't have to go near those unfair things. Hello, scavenger merchant. What? I have a pearl. You want that? Here. You look interested. What is this? What is this? Cool. I don't know what that is, but it's mine. I guess you like the pearl. Oh, now where do I go? Oh, the possibilities are endless. I don't trust going this direction. I don't like being outside, you see. Outside is bad. I feel suddenly safer inside. If we could just do something about that. Again with the outside. You little? Okay. I can take this. Now you don't want it? You just wanted my red spear? You like the color red? Come on. We got this, we got this, we got this. Yes! Suck it. Where is this? I don't remember being here. Oh, brother. Oh. That looked eerily familiar to the same place, but I'm confused. I'm confused, I'm confuddled, and my brain is muddled. No dreams? Oh. He shows me aliens. Thank you. Thank you, eye that watches me at all times. I love aliens. And we go to the Geyser Complex level. Let's go. Let's continue with that. I finally made it to another thing without dying horribly. I think I'll end it here. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. And if it is nighttime,
I hope leeches get you.